Hi everyone, I'm Manvi Duggal. I study in grade 10 and I'm studying in Saraswati Vidyamandir from 8 months now, and it's been a great experience. And if I have to tell about this tuition, I would tell about it in 4 ways. The very first being that we get to give regular tests, so we can keep a check on ourselves that whether we got the concept or not. The second being that we get recorded lectures every day, so even if we were not available in any of the offline lecture, we can just watch it. And the third being, which is very interesting as well, the dashboard thing. We can check our weak areas and work to improve in them. And the fourth being that the digital representation of things. I think it eventually turns out that a concept is more clear. So these are the 4 things that makes this tuition completely different from others. And of course, I'm very thankful to sir for teaching us in a very jocular way so that we get every concept very nicely. And a very big thanks to support team for always helping us wherever we lack and all. And I'm really grateful to be here. Thank you.